Everybody, what's going on? It's your boy Manuel Peralta, and we're gonna do what? Make noise! People, yes, make noise. This is something so incredible, so big, something really cool that's coming. I'm just chilling here, Manuel Peralta, on my bed, just marketing, just having a good time, setting up my tools, setting up automation. But the best thing I want to talk to you about, people, is make noise. This is super cool group coming out. I can't tell you too much. Keep it under wraps a bit, people. But there's so much powerful information, so much stuff that's going to help people take their businesses and themselves to the next level, people. How do you make noise and how do you become a noise maker, though, is the big question. Well, you start getting results. You start just pumping it up, pumping it up, pumping up the group, people, pumping up the team. Synergy, energy, making noise. So I wanted to let y'all know, and I wanted to tell y'all, you know what I'm saying. Also, thanks to my boy Nate O'Brien, for just coming to me and approaching to me and talking to me and giving me value and everything that you've been telling me, brother. Thank you so much. I love all of you that's in the group. I love all of you. When this explodes, this is going to be popping. We're going to be at the top. People, we're going to be making noise, and you're going to be making noise as well. So find out what it is. Find out what we're doing. Find out how you can get affiliated and start making noise. Love you guys. Peace.